Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Programming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change GoDaddy password. First step is to open your browser. Now go to the official website of GoDaddy, which is godaddy.com, and there you can log into your account. And after you log in, on the top right corner you can see your username here. Click on it, and here you can see option which says account settings. Click on it. Now after that, it will redirect you to this page, and here on the top side you can see this account settings option again. Click on it, and here you can see login and pin. Click on login and pin. Now scroll down a little bit, and here you can see this password section. Click on edit. Now type in your current password. Now type in your new password that you want to change to. Now retype your password to confirm it, and after that you can click on this save button here. Click on save, and following the simple step, you have successfully changed your password in GoDaddy account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.